this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and today we have something interesting that's from OnePlus. This is the OnePlus TV. So this is the 32-inch model, the Y series, and this one is priced at around 13 to 14,000 rupees on Amazon. The exact price and link would be in the description below. I bought it yesterday at the sale, and it was, the prime sale where we actually got the early access and we could order it at 12 o'clock. And then later at 12:30 it was still on stock, and today as well I checked it's on stock. So probably something to do with the resolution, though I would say from a brand that has been known for doing quality stuff. OnePlus is known for its quality. The price was quite less for a 32-inch model, but it's an HD plus resolution display and it comes with the Android 9 Pie based operating system. OnePlus own features there, and there's quite a lot to talk about this smart TV. And I'm mentioning the word smart because it is a smart TV with all the smart functionality, unlike many models that are still available as the non-smart options. And this one is a smart TV. So it's a 32-inch HD LED TV with the 768 into 1366 pixels of screen resolution. There's 60 Hz of refresh rate, and it comes with some of the features that are mentioned on the box itself. There's the Android TV, and there's Google Assistant support as well. And what you see here are these things. First of all, the color gamut, it says wide color gamut. It's DCI-P3 93% color gamut, and it's bezel-less and oxygen play supported up, and OnePlus Connect. OnePlus Connect is to connect your smartphone to the TV for its functionality. To enhance its functionality and for a better content viewing from your smartphone. There are the tabletop stands that are given in the box package to start with, and then let's take out the packaging here. So this is the remote that you get alongside the TV, and it's quite, it has most of the buttons, the entire keypad, the joystick keypad, the navigation keys with the Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube shortcuts and the menu button. So I'll do a separate demo anyway. There are some screws given there. There's a quick start guide and the safety information guide and the AAA battery kit. So frankly, everything is quite cluttered here. As you can see, the entire setup here. This is a home office studio that we are temporarily using. That is because of the situation right now that we don't have the actual access to the office. Though, I could go to the studio and work there, but given the circumstances, we would rather be safe than sorry. So it's this studio that we are working along with. And this is a home studio. So that's okay, whatever is happening. We just hope that things get better here and nothing else. So we are working from home itself. And this is easy to place actually. So this is how the TV looks like, and this is the front with the logo towards the bottom, and there's a bottom bar that is given, which is the physical bar. Apart from that, from the sides, this is the thickness of the TV, and it does look quite thin enough. And towards the back, here's how the TV looks like, the back of the TV, the panel here. And the connectivity options include the audio ports and also the video port and USB 2.0, and along with that there's an Ethernet port and HDMI 2. So there's HDMI 2 towards the bottom facing one, and the right facing ones include another HDMI port. There's also the USB 2.0 port, and I guess these are USB 2.0 ports. I'm not sure really. We'll have to check that if it's 2.0 or 3.0, but these are the ports that are present towards the back of the TV. And now this is the remote of the TV that comes along with the buttons. That's the power button, and there's thankfully a mute button as well, and the mic input here. There's the home button and the menu, as well as Google Assistant, the volume switcher, and also the center navigation button here given. And this is the OnePlus remote for the budget series or the Y series TVs. So now let's try to quickly set this up, set up everything so that you can get an understanding of how the interface is. It comes based on Android, stock Android, and it's Android 9 Pie. So once you press these two buttons, firstly to begin with, it's the two buttons that are the home as well as the left navigation key, that pressed together would give you the connectivity, and it's OnePlus RC remote control that is now being paired to the TV. So let's set this up with our smartphone itself. Now let me go to the Google application in my smartphone, and I'll have to say, okay, Okay Google, set up my device. This will ask for Bluetooth to be activated, and you can activate that, and after that verify the code on your smartphone, and I would verify that as well, and I would give it the access to Wi-Fi, copy to your new device, and then the security option. So it would connect to Wi-Fi automatically. As you can see here, it has connected to 402 family, that's our family account. And as I would say that, I'd remind again that this is not our office setup, so you'll see a lot of cluttered stuff here. Let me now enter the password for the Google account and accept the terms of service, location, help improve Android, and those were the initial options. Get better voice control of your TV to find what to watch all across applications. Let me now also set up the remote here. Few things you should know. Okay, that's all okay. Get personal results, no. Install all of the applications, no, I don't need this because these were from my smartphone. Basically, if you're setting it up from your smartphone, the things would go from there. And tap on continue. Now your Y series is powered by Android TV, and these are the walkthrough of the, this is the walkthrough of the features where you can cast to your TV, talk to Google Assistant, and get apps from the Play Store. That's the best part of about Android TVs. You get the access to the Play Store and its applications. So that's given here. Now country selection comes next. LCN switch. Are there LCN numbers in your channel list? Off. So it is actually taking some time for each function to be done here. As you can see, the thing has stuck. I'm trying to press the buttons and everything, but it doesn't work right now. Input password. And right now, as you can see, it's not that fast. It's actually taking time to process things. Maybe initial setup, that could be the reason why it's failing a bit. But I won't call it a justification because it has to be at least this fast to set up the TV well. And something has happened that has made the screen actually blank. No, system update available. So it did not set up the password there. It took me to the next step directly. And there's a system update available directly here. Let me go to the details of the same. And this is the pure Android. So you won't find a lot of difference from the other TVs that were, including the recent ones, the Realme TV as well as the Kodak's certified Android TV. And waiting to download 842 MB update. Let me tap on that. But anyway, let's go back while the update downloads. So for the interface, these are the things that you see. You have Netflix, then Prime Video, Live TV, Multimedia Player, YouTube, and Play Movies and TV. These are recommendations from the major applications, and under the app spotlight you get Disney Hotstar, Rakuten Wi-Fi, YouTube Kids is there as well, and news. So these are the major applications obviously, and you can customize these channels for what you want to see on the home screen, what you want to hide. And if we now go into the settings, these are the settings that you would find in the TV, and right now it's lagging a bit. You can see wherever you see the voice command, and then you'll see the response from the TV. It is taking a few seconds for everything to set up, and I had tapped on the volume earlier. Now it's responding now. So this is how it is: the network and internet, channel, accounts and signing. Under the applications, so these are the apps, and I'm not sure why it's not working well, but that's what you're seeing in the real time. I'm not doing anything different. Everything is in front of you. So under the picture settings, you'll find the options for the energy saving. This is the energy saving mode right now, and you have the option to change it based on how you want to make it look like. And picture mode can be changed between these: user, standard, vivid, sport, movie and game. Now going back, you have the option for sound, and it's a 20-watt speaker that you find in this TV. So it's a standard speaker. There's nothing different or nothing really special. That's what you find from any budget TV, and for the given price here, I won't complain much. But anyway, let's try to play a video. Remember, this is an HD ready or HD TV, you can call it. It's not a 4K resolution one, it's the standard resolution that you see on some of the budget TVs. So I have muted it. Let me go back a bit and show you some of the content here. I know this is nowhere going to be the real judgment because the TV's brightness is a bit too high for the camera settings right now. I'm not changing anything here, just to give you a demo of what the resolution is. And this is not, again telling you, this is not going to be any judgment here because you're not playing it on the standard settings. You get a full HD option here for YouTube, at least that is good. And how the color output is, we'll compare it with some of the similar priced Android TVs that we have already in the studio, whatever the temporary studio is. So we'll try to do that comparison as well. But so far that's it. This was a quick unboxing and a demo of the entire things that you see here under the TV's interface. You have the system update, I guess, available, or now it should be downloaded already. So it's downloaded, and probably the initial lags that you see might be because of the first setup. Otherwise, I don't think it should be lagging so much. And if it is lagging anyway, you should stay tuned for our entire review that we would be doing soon. But till then, we'll have to use it for some time to understand how it is. These are the connectivity options: HDMI 1, 2, and the composite unit. So, and this is the Google Assistant as well. How's the weather in Hyderabad?
Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 27 and a low of 23. And tomorrow, it'll be partly cloudy.
So Google Assistant works well, at least that's good. There were some issues with the Kodak TV that we had earlier used for the same Google Assistant, but it is working here. So things seem to be pretty fine. Everything right now looks good, but we'll use it. We'll see if those lags are persistent or they were the first time setup lags. But so you'll have to stay tuned for that. And this was all about the OnePlus Y series TV, the 32-inch model, the most budgeted TV from OnePlus right now in the market. Does look decent for the design, at least. The bezel-less thing is not bad here. You can see it's only this thin here that you can see here. So I mean, it's not this entire thing is not plastic. There is some bezel, they called it bezel-less, but there are some bezels towards the sides, but that's okay. You can see almost a full screen TV here. So that's it in this video. This was all about the OnePlus TV. Stay tuned for the full review. Stay tuned for some tips and tricks if you're actually planning to buy this TV, and you can know what you can do with this one. So this was all about it. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.